Hi everyone, and welcome.
We have a really interesting problem today. We have two identical rectangles, each with an area of 30, and a right triangle with an area of 6. The two line segments shown here are equal in length. So the question is, what is the length of AB? I think this one is a little tricky. Can you solve it? All right, let's get into the solution. First, I'm going to draw the diagonal of this rectangle. So what happens? The diagonal divides the rectangle into two equal parts. Since the area of the rectangle is 30, the area of each triangle is 15. Now, take a look at these two triangles. Their heights are equal, right? We know that the area of a triangle is 1/2 times the height times the base. Since the heights of these two triangles are equal, the ratio of their areas must be equal to the ratio of their bases. Let's call the area and base of the larger triangle A1 and B1 and those of the smaller triangle A2 and B2. So we have A1 divided by A2 equals B1 divided by B2. Now let's substitute the areas and simplify the ratio. We get that the ratio of the base of the larger triangle to the base of the smaller triangle is 5/2. So let's represent the base of the larger triangle by 5x and the base of the smaller triangle by 2x. Since the two rectangles are identical, the corresponding length of this rectangle must also be 5x. On the other side, the opposite length of the rectangle is divided into two equal parts. So each part is 5x/2. Now let's come back to this triangle. First, let's call its height h. And we know that this is a right triangle, right? So we can use the Pythagorean theorem. The square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Now let's square both expressions. Next, subtract 4x squared from both sides of the equation. After simplifying the left-hand side, we get 9x squared over 4. Now take the square root of both sides. This gives us h equals 3x/2. We're almost there. Now, let's write the formula for the area of a right triangle. The area is 1/2 times the height times the base. We know that the area is 6, so we substitute 2x for the base and 3x/2 for the height. The 2's cancel out, giving us 6 equals 3x²/2. Now, multiply both sides by 2. Then divide both sides by 3. We get x² equals 4. Taking the square root of both sides gives us x equals 2. But we're looking for the length of AB, which is 2x. So the length of AB is 2 times 2, which equals 4. So sweet. If you enjoyed this problem, show me with a like and let me know what you thought about it in the comments. And if you enjoy this kind of math content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.